I feel like it is still watery. You see? No, but that's what I mean. It looks like stained glass. Because the sponges want to be biatches. Oh no, it's too late, sorry. All expression. That was... Who's... Get back in there right now. Right now. Oh, girl, I never go with the intention of selling out. I have too much stash. My powders start at $2. I only have a couple of $2 powders left, actually. Sometimes I'll just like remix a tote that I have of saved paste. Ooh, let me go check. I will be... Legacy. For real this time. I missed it. What's happening? See this giant... What the heck? Bye, Legacy. Oh, I'm kidding. I thought you were saying like you were really getting up now. It is. No, it's an amazing end and start too for me. Thank you. You just made everyone's day. He done missed the bus. Oh my gosh. Just don't forget me. I love powder. Well, we're inviting you to all the parties from now on. Right, Kay? Okay, guys. I'm gonna add the other half of the powder now. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Oh my god, I said no. Decline. He has to if he loves powder. But he's not going to tell us anyways. It's okay. I'll get thrown out. That's crazy. Right, Annette? No, tell her she need to love you for who you are. I keep missing that comment. I think that's something about low iron. I haven't been able to read it. It's like the second time. I'm so sorry. Look, guys, this has 3 powders on it. It's cute. Can Ahmad pin that comment that I keep missing? Pretty please. Oh, I'm sorry, Annette. Yes, that legacy. Thank you. No, this is just laundry, friend. I'm sorry. No cans today. Okay, guys, I am gonna close the line if no one is interested at 5:20. Thank you so much to everybody who sent. This has been beautiful and amazing. The 1, 2, 3 is $4. It's just I just have one little bag. But I have a couple of other like Ariels that are 5 and 6. I have, I believe, 1 or 2 more of the $3 Romas. Which one? Just the 1, 2, 3? Oh no, I'm so sorry, Luna. I know, I feel like that's always me. But also sometimes I sleep with the, not sometimes, I sleep with a fan, so I feel like that happens during allergen season as well. The splatters are going crazy today, oh my god. Yes, sir. I mean, I have a bunch more powders, but I get the feeling you like the little ones. Oh my god, there was 500. Why did you have to say something? I didn't know. I wasn't looking at the count. That's the most I've ever had. Y'all freaking me out. Oh my god. Carl. Yes, Erin. Everyone say thank you so much to Erin. And if everyone hasn't followed, I am only 300 followers away till 4K. So if you like what you see, or yeah, so if you like, thank you guys, thank you, Erin. So if you like what you see, or you guys like this time of day, I'm pretty much going to be going on this time of day every Thursday night, aka Friday morning, as consistently as I can, being a mother of 3 and a full-time student. What did it say? I love your wet wipes. I didn't get to read it. It was too fast. Oh my gosh, the comments are flying, guys. Calm vibes. Oh, thank you, Ashley. Hold on, guys. There's a little hidden pocket back here. It's calm now because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. All right, guys. If nobody wants to add, I'm going to go ahead and close the line. And then I'm going to start trying to clean up for the fake rinse. This is sponge squeezing ASMR, aka Clean Talk. It is for people with pica or pregnancy cravings or low iron, or people who just like the sounds and the sensation and find it relaxing, have anxiety, other mental illnesses. There is no powder in the fake rinse, but I do still have a wintergreen available. Me applying to all of them. Don't make me add aroma. I mean, you can add aroma to this if you want to. I still have, I believe, 2 or 3 of the $3 ones. Honestly, I would love to sell out of powder. That would be amazing. But that's plausible. Liquid, not so much. Hello, Abzi. Honestly, I only have 1 big bag of Pinot left. And then 2 bags of the $3 Roma. And what else do I have? I have 1 $5 bag of Ariel. I think $1 bag of Ariel. I honestly don't remember because it's not that much. I'm gonna take this sponge out, guys. Oh, and I have gains. I have 2 gain boxes. Yes, I have 2 boxes of gain. No, Lana's. So, one is 15 and one is 13. Do you want both of them? Both of them? Wait, both of them or just one of them?